Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this faux pampas grass from Tahdtew. This is Mayor Product Reviews. I originally bought this pampas grass because I was so drawn to the beige color, but I actually ordered the taupe as well, which is what I'm going to show you first. These come in a nice long box. They're nicely wrapped up and they don't get bent during shipping because they're in that sturdy box. The grass actually comes in 6 individual pieces, so if you wanted to use just a few in a very small jar and spread them out into a couple of different places, you could, or you could use the whole bulk together. These are so soft, and I'm so relieved to see that they do not shed at all. They're just nice and soft, no odor, they make a nice fluffy looking display. They don't come with a vase, and I wanted to do something really simple and very inexpensive. So I went to the dollar store and I got a small jar, just the height that I wanted and just as narrow as I wanted, and I spray painted it white. And they totally work. Another thing that I love about these is that you don't have to be a crazy arranger decorator to make these look nice. As you can see, you just simply place them in the jar and arrange just a little bit. And with just 3, you could have a nice little display. And then this is what it looks like with all of them together. So simple and easy for just a nice look. That's all you have to do. I'm having trouble deciding where I want to put this taupe color. It's so neutral that I feel like it could go any place in my house, to be honest. It could go very nicely in my kitchen, in my dining room, or sitting on my desk. But now to show you why I bought this in the first place, one color that I knew where I was going to put. This nice bright beige. I wanted a pop of white and beige decoration for my entry room. We recently built this paneling on the wall with a little mantle on the top, and I just wanted some nice neutral pieces of decor to bring out the beige in the room. We currently have 2 paintings that we want to use in this room resting on the mantle because we can't decide which one we want there. That pop of beige makes me want to go with the one on the right. These are such simple decorative pieces that all you have to do is put them in a jar and that's it. They could go with many different styles of decor, including boho, coastal, organic, rustic, farmhouse. They could just fit into so many different styles, and the colors are so neutral and beautiful that you could just make a lovely display quite easily. I got mine on Amazon, and as usual, you can find the product link for this in my write-up below. On the display page, you can see there the 2 different colors, beige and taupe, and it also says in the product page that they're going to be coming out with a blue color in the future. I was hoping that these were going to be good quality, and I am not disappointed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you found this review to be helpful. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more reviews just like this one, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single review. See you guys next time.